Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how you can fix the Wi-Fi is not showing adapter. This works for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, and let's get started. So the first thing that I have several methods how you can fix it. So let's get started. So the first thing, we go to start, right click on it and go to device manager here. And then once we're here, we go to this to view, and then go to show hidden devices, and then go to network adapters here. Just click once and go to action and scan for hardware changes. So it will refresh, as you can see. It just refreshes and see if it works. If it still does not work, I have another method that you can try. Now the next fix that you can try is to go to start and type in troubleshooter. Like this. Troubleshoot settings, this one. And then here we're gonna select internet connections. Run the troubleshooter. And now we can go here, troubleshoot my connection to the internet. And after that, just go and close. This still does not fix. I have another method which you can try, is again go to start and type in CMD and then right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes here, and then here are some commands that we have to type, which is this one is gonna be in the desktop. The command will be somewhere in the screen so you can see what I'm typing. And press on enter. After that, just restart your PC, and if that did not work, go again to start, open CD again, and right click, run as administrator, and type this command. Press enter. And after this, see if it works. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like and comment, ask me any questions if you have, and bye.